This baby penguin just hiccuped and vanished, then reappeared 500 miles away in the Sahara Desert. In 2 seconds, scientists can't explain it. Every hiccup teleports her to a random place on Earth. Hic, she's in the jungle. Hic, she's underwater with sharks. Hic, she's on top of Mount Everest. She's hiccuping every 30 seconds and can't stop. And the next hiccup, it might send her to outer space. This is the craziest rescue mission ever attempted.